Hi, my name is Carrie Baker. I'm going to be teaching a course for Women X on understanding the threats to abortion rights. It's part of a Know Your Rights series that will teach you about exactly what your rights are and threats to them right now. I'm Carrie Baker. I'm a professor in the program for the study of women and gender at Smith College. I'm also a lawyer and a regular writer for Ms. Magazine, writing on reproductive rights. I was also formerly the president of the Abortion Rights Fund of Western Massachusetts. So I know a lot about this issue. I've taught it, I've studied it, and I've been an activist in this area for over 20 years. So over the next 4 weeks, we'll be learning a little bit about abortion rights in the United States. In the first week, we'll study what is Roe v. Wade? Everybody's heard about it. What does it actually do? And what were subsequent decisions that kind of expanded on the right to abortion that was originally established in 1973 in Roe versus Wade? We'll learn a little bit about threats today to Roe versus Wade, including a recent case that the Supreme Court accepted from Mississippi that could potentially overturn abortion rights in the United States. In the second week, we'll learn about a recent abortion ban adopted in Texas. We'll talk about the impact of this law, why it was allowed to go into effect, and what challenges are currently before the courts trying to make this law invalid. And we'll talk a little bit about the significance of that law right now. In the third week, we'll be learning a little bit about telemedicine abortion and self-managed abortion. Over the last 2 years with COVID, there's been a major rise in telemedicine abortion, which is basically where doctors prescribe medication abortion, so the abortion pill, by video conference or by telephone. And this has become really prevalent across the United States. And a lot of people are also just ordering abortion pills online through websites and using them by themselves at home. And so we'll talk a little bit about the legality of that and the barriers to using medication abortion at home and the various challenges to restrictions on the abortion pill in the United States. In the fourth week, we'll be looking at what's called crisis pregnancy centers, which are really anti-abortion centers run by people that oppose abortion rights and try to mislead people seeking information about abortion. They often provide inaccurate information and try to delay women from accessing real abortion care in order to put in their way barriers. We'll talk a little bit about activism to try to hold these anti-abortion centers accountable for what they do and to try to take away state funding from them because many of them are state funded. So I hope you'll join me in this Know Your Rights series. I'll be giving you information about what are your legal rights, but also how can you get involved in movements to try to strengthen abortion rights and reproductive rights more generally in the United States. I hope to see you. Thanks so much.